What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
Is she cooking dinner?
Yes, she is cooking dinner.
Are they playing football?
No, they are playing basketball.
What is he eating?
He is eating a sandwich.
Are you listening to music?
Yes, I am listening to music.
Is it raining outside?
No, it is not raining.
Where are you going?
I am going to the park.
Is she watching TV?
Yes, she is watching TV.
Are they studying for the exam?
Yes, they are studying hard.
What are you writing?
I am writing a letter.
Is he playing the guitar?
No, he is playing the piano.
Are we traveling tomorrow?
Yes, we are traveling to the beach.
What are they doing?
They are cleaning the house.
Is she painting?
Yes, she is painting a picture.
Are you swimming?
No, I am not swimming.
Is he reading the newspaper?
Yes, he is reading it.
What are you drinking?
I am drinking coffee.
Are they singing?
Yes, they are singing a song.
Is it snowing?
No, it is not snowing.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a red dress.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I am waiting for my friend.
Is he running?
No, he is walking.
Are they dancing?
Yes, they are dancing together.
What are you saying?
I am saying hello.
Is the dog barking?
Yes, the dog is barking loudly.
Are they playing chess?
No, they are playing cards.
What are you cooking?
I am cooking pasta.
Is she studying English?
Yes, she is studying English.
Are they laughing?
Yes, they are laughing at a joke.
What is he watching?
He is watching a movie.
Are you working on a project?
Yes, I am working on a school project.
Is she drinking tea?
No, she is drinking juice.
Are they playing video games?
Yes, they are playing video games.
What is the baby doing?
The baby is sleeping.
Are you reading a magazine?
Yes, I am reading a magazine.
Is he writing an email?
Yes, he is writing an email.
Are they having lunch?
Yes, they are having lunch.
What are you looking at?
I am looking at a photo.
Is she listening to the radio?
Yes, she is listening to the radio.
Are they waiting for the bus?
Yes, they are waiting for the bus.
What are you buying?
I am buying some groceries.
Is he drawing a picture?
Yes, he is drawing a picture.
Are they enjoying the party?
Yes, they are enjoying the party.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about my vacation.
Is she fixing the car?
No, she is fixing her bike.
Are they planting flowers?
Yes, they are planting flowers.
What is the cat doing?
The cat is playing with a ball.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I am having a great time.
Is he learning to drive?
Yes, he is learning to drive.
What are they talking about?
They are talking about their plans.